everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my 20 in 2020 project pan update number, who knows. I have 3 empties for you guys and I'm doing pretty well on more products in my project pan. So if you love project pan videos, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss out, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. Every time I film a video and I say 3 videos a week, I've been missing the past 2 Mondays. And I'm pretty consistent 3 videos a week, but the last few weeks I have not been. But I will be bringing back videos 3 times a week. So the first product that I finished off was this Kat Von D Cake Pencil Intensely Rich Eyeliner in the shade Trooper Black. When I started this in this project, it was up there, and then that was my last progress. So this is all done, as you can see. It just pops, twist it. So I'm excited for this to be done. I usually use black kohl liners to tight line. So since I'm done with this, I'm going to be bringing in another Kat Von D liner. This is the Autograph Pencil in Puro Amor, which is also a black. So my goal is going to be to finish this off, or use it up until I can't sharpen it anymore. And again, I just use it to tight line, and it just kind of creates the thicker lashes and just makes it look more fuller. So done with one, to bring in another. The next product I finished off was another primer. This is a mini Farsali Skin Tune Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. This I actually really liked. So my intro and my last update was kind of like in the middle somewhere, and I am completely done with this. I really like this product. I had initially used a little sample and I really loved it, and I wanted to pick up a full size until I saw the price. So I went with the little mini, but this thing is still around $20 something. I'm glad I finished this off. I can count this as my part of my end of year makeup empties. So I am also going to bring in another mini primer. This is the Murad Invisiblur Perfecting Primer Shield. This is really nice, and it's nice and smoothing as well on the face. I really enjoy this. I'm not sure how much product this has, but it was a 0.33 fluid ounce. What was this one? This was a 0.34 fluid ounce, so around the same amount. Again, I'm not sure how much product I have left in here, so I'm just going to try to use that up. And then the last product I finished off was my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. You can kind of see my progress lines there. And I use this as my daytime moisturizer. I didn't really like it as a primer. Under foundation, just found that my foundation, my face was really oily. Used it as a moisturizer for morning time, and that's how I was able to finish it off. And then I'm going to bring in another primer for that one, which is going to be my Tula Skincare Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer. This is actually a really nice moisturizing and also blurring primer as well. So I'm not sure how much product I left, pretty much halfway there. So again, my goal is going to be to finish this off as well. So those are the 3 new products I'm going to be rolling in for my 3 empties. And I have made good progress on my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. And here is my intro. You guys see? I'm not sure. So I have like a silver line there, my last few updates, and now you can see how much progress I've made. I've just been using this to add extra hydration to my skin after my nighttime skincare routine. I enjoy the mist. I think it's really nice and fine. I love the scent as well. I've just been using that up. I've also been applying this as a facial spray at night as well. I apply this, a few sprays of this, and then I apply sprays of that at night after my nighttime routine, and that's how I've been making progress on this. This is the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray, and here are my last few updates, and this is where I'm at now, right there. So I've made a lot of progress on this. I think in my next update I can finish these 2 up, so I like it. Again, I've just been using it as like a facial spray because I don't really want dewy skin right now. In the summertime, it's over 100 degrees. This week it was 105. So it's really hot and I don't want dewy skin. So I've just been using these as nighttime mists. A foundation I had for my project is this one by NARS. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Fiji. My goal pretty much for this update was to be halfway on the A. I'm not sure if I am. I'm like right there. I think I'm like a little up higher than the like tip of the A, but I started where the top of the N was, so I've made quite a bit of progress. I do want to finish this off this year. I don't think I've finished off any foundations, or pretty close to finishing them, so definitely want to meet my goal for this. But I really like this foundation. I think it looks super pretty on my skin. It looks nice and just smooth and gives me coverage. It doesn't look heavy on my skin. I really enjoy it, and I'm just gonna keep working on it. Another product that I am close to being done, maybe I'll be done with this one as well in my next update. This is my primer by Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus. In my last update, I was to the black line there, and you can see all my progress lines. They've kind of faded away since I keep touching it, but I'm kind of like halfway on the black part tip right there, so maybe I will be done with this in my next update. I like it. I think it does a good job. It's always what I wear every single day under my eyeshadows. I don't use any other eyeshadow primers. This is the only one I've been using, so I think I can finish this off as well. So maybe in my next update I can have at least 3 empties. Another product that I still have some product. I've made progress and I keep kind of wiping it off. You can see the updates there, but this is the Winky Lux brow pencil that I got in BoxyCharm. I have made some progress. Not a lot, but progress is progress. I do like it. This is what's on my brows today as well. I pretty much use this, try to use it every single day, every few days, but I do like it. I can definitely finish it off this year. I just don't know if it'll be by next month. Maybe if this is the only brow pencil, maybe, but oh, another one that will be done. I'm doing pretty good. So maybe for Empties next month. My Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer in the shade Toast. Maybe I'll put it in a close-up, but maybe you guys can see. Look at this. That's like empty. I'll put like a pop-up as well video, but if you put this to the light, you can see even right here. I only have product like from here down, so I really need to put in a spatula or something to be able to get what's all the way on the bottom. You can definitely see the sidewalls there. And even right here, like it looks like I've been scraping this baby. I have product way down here, so maybe I'll do a little more digging. But this will definitely be considered done if I'm not done with it next update. Yeah, this will definitely be done. So maybe 4 products will be empty for the next ones. Another concealer corrector that I've been working on is the Maybelline Master Camo in the shade Apricot. And I don't know how much product I have in here. I use it randomly. I'm hoping one day I'm gonna use it and nothing comes out. So I'm still using it. It's a corrector. I don't think it does an amazing job to correct my dark circles, but I've been using that. Another concealer is by Kevyn Aucoin. This is the Supernatural Concealer in EC Corrector. I think it does a good job to correct and conceal my dark circles. I do enjoy this concealer a lot, and I do think it's really, really nice. Making progress still. I do like it. I do use it often, so I'll definitely have a concealer to work on after my Jouer one is all done. My MAC Blot Powder in the shade Medium Dark. I don't know how much progress I've made from the last update, but here's what this month's update is looking like. I never repressed it, whoops, but I definitely need to do that. And then if I repress it, I feel like I can finish it, just because when you repress something, it kind of doesn't last as long, especially since it's more powdery and it's not like tightly pressed, like if it was pressed like at a lab or something. I like it. I think it makes my skin look really nice when I set it with this, so I will definitely be... Yeah, I think I was supposed to repress this from my last update and I never did. My Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula is still going strong. I've been trying to use this baby a lot. No progress. I had such big pan. I feel like every time I put it up, you can see the rings. But then when you look at it in person, it doesn't really look like it. So I just keep working on this. Apply it as a bronzer to warm up my skin. I like it. It still smells delicious. It doesn't snap anymore, like shut. But I do enjoy it. Photo Finish, a pore minimizing primer. I was supposed to weigh this and I didn't. Probably should. I have no idea where I left off. I think the paper is in my restroom. I'm not very prepared, but I do like it for my pores. Trying to finish that off. My Bare Minerals Well Rested powder is still the same. I haven't really been using it. This is pretty much just like to brighten the under eye area. I haven't been using that, so not making great progress. Another eyeshadow by MAC. This is the Swiss Chocolate. I've used it a few times, but there's no pan anytime soon. This ColourPop Lady Bird Super Shock Shadow I really enjoy. I love this Super Shock Shadow. It's pretty much just like a glitter, and I apply this every now and then on my eyelids to work and have a really pretty shimmery shadow. I've been like really bad on using these single shadows. I need to be better. My Bite Beauty Glaze Crayon. I think I only used a few times. It's like right under the last line on here. I still have quite a bit of product. I've really been focusing on this other lipstick that I have from Jeffree Star as a cream blush. And it's just, again, super pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. Actually, I haven't even tried to measure to see if I've made progress. No, it's still under the line. Still right under that line. And I have been using this really consistently, like 3 or 4 times a week. Haven't made any progress. Still right under that line. And then the last product in this project is the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Mascara in the shade Rich Brown. I reach for this every now and then. Brow mascaras is not something I really use a lot. I need to use this more often though. There's a few products in here that I am just not really reaching for, but I need to. So those are all the products that are in my 20 and 2020 project pan. Let me know if you're doing a project down in the comment section below. I'd love to check it out. How do you think I'm doing? How many products do you think I will have empty for next month? Let me know also in your comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!